now for the news in detail. Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh inaugurated the Winter Tales Festival at Wards Lake in Shillong today. The 5th edition of Winter Tales 2024 is themed Balance, reflecting the state's commitment to sustainable tourism. Addressing the gathering, he emphasized the importance of celebrating Meghalaya's unique strengths, including its natural beauty, music and arts through these festivals. He expressed pride in the festival's growth, which now showcases artisans, weavers and entrepreneurs from all 12 districts of Meghalaya. The event promotes eco-friendly initiatives including waste segregation and plastic-free environment. Visitors can enjoy local cuisine, music and handicrafts while also participating in workshops and discussions.
So we would like, as the theme of this year's edition is, we would like to have a fine balancing between growth and the roots, between the fruits of development and the roots of development.
Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh emphasized the importance of promoting